Outfit check muna tayo mga guys bago pumunta ng party. Sa atin ng birthday party, 65th birthday. Nagka-office meet ng aking mama.
Ipalista na latat na no. Kita pure gold Wan, rumor kay ko. Ha. Bibitan yun to ta kanin yun.
For the photo opportunity, tawagin natin yung mga anak at buong kapamilya na ng birthday celebrant for the photo opportunity. You may now take your seat, everybody, and let's enjoy the rest of the day. And once again, welcome to the Island Bar, and this is Marpy, your host. Sana po ay mag-enjoy po tayo hanggang mamaya. Lipstick and lipstick. Lipstick or lipstick. Lipstick or lipstick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Sorry. Kapatch bigyan mo siya ng consolation. 5.
Ito lang ang wate. Goodbye, tension. Goodbye. Hello, tension. Sabi nga nila. So, ito, another Africa. So, today, as a really is you are happy birthday. Talagang sana
Okay, next is Macbeth to God.
Hindi gano'n makita ko, di 65 hindi lahat is makakarating kasi 65. Just like ni Jingjing.
Naman akong kanya yung nanalagin sa kami na yung may pag-celebrate. Hindi na ito